Welcome back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another non-phone data entry and work from home job lead in the healthcare field. This seems to be the most popular job lead, but this one requires absolutely no experience whatsoever. So let's just dive on in. The links, if you want to put that application in, are in the YouTube description box below. And of course, if you find this job lead helpful or anything that I share helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, like button, and share with your friends and family so we can all live our happiest, healthiest life working from home. But the healthcare company Change Healthcare, they are hiring a data entry operator. Now, this is a full-time remote, but this is for my United States folks only. It does look like they are hiring in most all states of the United States. But this position is responsible for all aspects of the charge throughput. So you'll prepare images for input into the imaging system. You'll process the interface files. You'll validate files were processed and receipt of work. You'll enter the demographic or the charge entry information into the system. You'll obtain information from the different hospital systems, and you'll resolve errors preventing billing through research and reporting. The actual only requirements for this position is a high school diploma or equivalent. Now, they have some preferred qualifications, but these preferred qualifications do not even require experience. They want you to know how to use Microsoft Office, Outlook, Excel, those kinds of things. Have good time management skills, have critical thinking skills, be research oriented, and be able to proficiently type. That is it. So no actual experience is needed. They do offer a standard benefit package, including a 401k, paid time off, health insurance, all the things. And the base pay range for this position is anywhere from $10.73 an hour all the way up to $23.83 an hour. Now, I've never seen Change Healthcare pay under $15, $16 an hour. So don't let that fear you from putting those applications in. If worse comes to worse, you can always negotiate that salary. And if they are paying something you don't want to take, you can always just say no. As always, if this job lead was not for you, that's okay. Please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for, as I'm always reading those and keeping that in mind when I am searching for job leads to share. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.